Hello everyone, my name is Sivnes and I am 23 years old. Currently, I am based in Malacca. I have finished my diploma studies in Kuning Vocational College. Currently, I am pursuing my undergraduate studies in Bachelor of Technology in Industrial Machining at University Technical Malaysia, Malacca. Let's talk about my skills. I possess great communication skills where I can speak 7 types of languages, as I can converse English atau bahasa Malaysia, UTeM and also on Italiano. On top of that, I am a responsible person and could work under pressure and able to execute tasks flawlessly. For example, I am active in UTeM club such as AMA UTeM, Champion FTKMP and UTeM Esport, and I do love to do volunteering job. Other than that, my art skills major on operating CNC machine and programming, and besides that, I do generate computer-aided drawings by using AutoCAD, CATIA and Inventor. During my leisure time, I do love to go for a brisk walk around UTeM and play badminton with my friends. With that being said, there's so much thing to gain from your side of world. As my brand promise is to always keep learning and bring something to the table. Feel free to reach me if you have any question in mind. Thank you.